Right, and we're back. I'm pointing, and I thought I'd just do a little video because I've done a few videos on how to make a pointing mix. Video up here. What I've found recently is a lot of people, why don't you just resin it? That's fair enough. Each to our own. But personally, and what I also get is people go, oh, why do you point like that? It all blows out when you jet wash it. In my opinion, you ain't doing it properly. You still need it nice and wet. You need it like a brickies mix. I've found that when it's done properly, it doesn't blow out when you jet wash it. And what I have noticed with the easy joints, that's a product I have used in the past, that I've been called back because the easy joint's gone green or it's blown out. Whereas with traditional pointing, I never get that. So that is why I prefer traditionally point. What about you guys? What do you prefer? What do you enjoy using? Resin or traditional? How do you do it? Let us know in the comment section below. Like, comment, share and subscribe. Peace.